As I have discussed before, if we lived on a ball, it's axiomatic that all aircraft must continually dip their noses to account for the curvature of the Earth. If a commercial airline flies at 575 miles per hour, in just 10 minutes of flight, the airplane would have to drop approximately 6,123 feet to maintain level flight. That's a huge adjustment. We are going to analyze an amazing time-lapse filmed by a pilot on a flight from Munich, Germany to Sao Paulo, Brazil. You can find the unedited version on this website. Please note that this Beyond Clouds website has no association with the Flat Earth, which means this evidence comes from an unbiased party. The distance for the full flight from Munich to Sao Paulo is over 6,000 miles, but the recording was only for approximately 3,000 miles. That begins before Palma, located on the island of Mallorca, Spain, and the video ends before the equator after the plane passes Dakar, Senegal, on the western coast of Africa. For this time lapse, we're going to track these two stars. For brevity, I'm going to speed up the footage. The plane is going to adjust its heading left and right a few times, but try to keep an eye out for those two stars. There are the two stars again. Here they are over on the right side. They have dropped a little, but here they are again. And that's the end of the time lapse. This is the beginning position of the stars. Approximately 3,000 miles later, here is the ending position. Fortunately, Google Earth allows us to model this same flight with the stars in the background and shows us exactly what would happen if we lived on a globe. For this Google Earth model, I used our distance of roughly 3,000 miles on the exact same flight route that I showed earlier. I set the altitude at 10,000 meters or 32,800 feet. Remember, this is how the globe should work. Now, watch the stars. There is no question about it. As the viewpoint continually dips, the stars rise up, exactly as we would logically expect if we lived on a ball. The stars are not just rising up a little bit, which would be open to debate. The upward movement is huge and unmistakable. The pilot's time lapse of the stars showed us that this downward curvature adjustment does not happen. Therefore, the Earth is not a globe.